In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce gas fees on Uniswap. Now, one really good effective we could use is use Layer 2 solutions. Layer 2 solutions consist of networks such as Optimism and Arbitrum. Now, these two networks will actually allow you to get lower gas feed compared to something like the Ethereum mainnet. And another thing that we could actually do is trade during low network activity. So we can actually see how the gas fees fluctuate based on Ethereum network congestion if we go to another tab and look up Ethereum gas tracker. And then we can go ahead and use this website called etherscan.io. And let's go ahead and press on it like so. And then over here, it is actually going to update us right over here. So at the moment, it is pretty high. Now, typically the cheapest times include late at night or on the weekend. So if you really kind of want to optimize everything, then those are usually the best places to actually do transactions or to swap coins and stuff like that. And also, if you're using like something like MetaMask, you guys could actually go ahead and change these settings from MetaMask as well. So that's another great option that you guys can go ahead and do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.